If you have $10,000 and you buy the wrong car, it won't just inconvenience you. It can financially cripple you. I've seen people spend $8,000 on a cheap luxury deal and then drop $4,000 on repairs within 6 months. Blown transmission, timing chain issues, electrical nightmares. Now they're walking to work. If you want a car that starts every morning, costs almost nothing to maintain, and won't slowly drain your savings account, buy one of these 7. And number 1 is a car most people completely forgot exists, which is exactly why it's the smartest buy on this list. Let's move fast. Number 7. The 2008 and newer Mazda 3. You can find clean examples between $6,000 and $9,000. These cars are simple, lightweight, and surprisingly fun for the money. The naturally aspirated engines are durable. Automatic transmissions are generally solid. Parts are cheap. Maintenance costs usually average between $400 and $600 per year if the car has been maintained properly. But here's the honest warning that builds trust. Rust. If you live anywhere that salts the roads, inspect the rear quarter panels, wheel arches, and underbody carefully. Mechanically, they're strong. Structurally, climate matters. If you want something affordable that doesn't feel completely lifeless, the Mazda 3 is a smart pick. Just check for corrosion before you hand over cash. Number 6. The 2016 Mazda 6. This is for the person who needs a family sedan but refuses to give up driving enjoyment. Higher mileage examples fall right around $9,000 to $10,000. The key phrase here is SkyActiv. Mazda's SkyActiv 2.5-liter engine is naturally aspirated, high compression, and engineered for efficiency without turbo complexity. That means fewer failure points long-term. Real-world maintenance costs typically land around $500 per year. Fuel economy is strong. Handling is sharp. It doesn't feel like punishment. This is the responsible choice that still makes you enjoy your commute. Number 5. The 2012 to 2015 Honda Civic. These are everywhere. You can find them between $7,500 and $9,500 all day long. The 1.8-liter engine in these Civics is one of the most reliable 4-cylinders Honda has ever built. They routinely pass 200,000 miles with routine oil changes and basic maintenance. Expect annual maintenance costs around $300 to $500. Parts are cheap. Labor is simple. Any shop can work on them. They are not exciting, but they are incredibly difficult to kill. And under $10,000, durability beats excitement every time. Number 4. The 2013 Honda Accord. Think of this as the grown-up Civic. Clean 4-cylinder models sit between $8,000 and $10,000 depending on mileage. The 2.4-liter engine is smooth, proven, and extremely long-lasting. Highway comfort is excellent. Cabin space is generous. If you commute long distances, this car shines. Maintenance costs stay reasonable. Reliability ratings remain strong. And unlike some older mid-size sedans, the Accord doesn't feel outdated inside. This is one of the safest used car purchases you can make under 10 grand. Number 3. The 2010 Honda CR-V. This is for buyers who need cargo space, higher ride height, or family flexibility. Prices range from $7,000 to $10,000 depending on mileage. The magic ingredient is the K24 engine. This engine is legendary. 300,000 miles is not unusual with proper maintenance. Transmission reliability is strong. Insurance costs are reasonable. Fuel economy stays decent for a compact SUV. Annual maintenance usually falls between $400 and $600. It's not fast, it's not flashy, but it will outlive most of the cars parked next to it. Number 2. The 2013 Toyota Camry. This is the gold standard for sensible used car ownership. Clean examples sit between $8,000 and $10,000. The 4-cylinder 2.5-liter engine is known for durability. Automatic transmissions are strong. Major mechanical failures are rare when maintained properly. Annual ownership costs often sit under $500 in maintenance. If you find a hybrid model in budget, don't panic. Toyota hybrid batteries are designed to last well beyond 150,000 miles, and replacement costs are far lower today than they were a decade ago. The Camry isn't exciting. It's not supposed to be. It's dependable transportation that protects your bank account. Now we slow down, because number one is the smartest financial move on this entire list. The 2009 to 2010 Pontiac Vibe. Most people ignore it. That's your advantage. The Pontiac Vibe is literally a Toyota Matrix built alongside it. Same 1.8-liter engine, same transmission, same platform, same reliability. But because it wears a Pontiac badge, it avoids the Toyota price premium. You can find clean vibes between $600 and $8,500. The engine regularly surpasses 250,000 miles. Maintenance costs mirror Corolla ownership. Cheap parts, simple repairs. Proven drivetrain. You are essentially paying thousands less for the exact same Toyota reliability. That's how smart buyers win. Now let's talk about what to avoid. If you have $10,000, do not buy. An aging German luxury car with complicated electronics. A turbocharged European sedan with over 120,000 miles. Anything with air suspension. Anything that was once $70,000 new and is now suspiciously cheap. Cheap to purchase does not mean cheap to own. Under $10,000, you are not buying prestige. You are buying predictability. And predictability equals financial freedom. If you're looking at a car that isn't on this list, drop the model and year in the comments. I'll tell you directly whether it's a smart buy or a future money pit. Because in this price range, the goal isn't excitement. The goal is a car that starts every morning and keeps your savings intact.